the next part of Project Bimmer. Now, you didn't give up that easily, would you? Anyway, I'll show you why. Well, after the last video, I just started watching some YouTube videos, and I thought, well, I'll try a hub puller. Well, it's not a hub puller. It's a puller anyway. Anyway, so I went to my local machine mart and I bought this. It was just shy 30 quid. I can put a link in the description. I'll try this. It's got to be worth a try. And if it don't work, well, that's it. I'm just gonna have to get my local garage to try and get this drive shaft off the hub. So I'll get this. I'll get back to where we are. I'll get the drum off and the drive shaft off at the diff end. Get all that freed off. And then we can try this. And also, I've got my new brake drums, so I'm going to have to fit them anyway, so might as well fit them while I'm here. Right, I've set it up. I couldn't use my wheel bolts because they were too short for this particular puller, so I managed to get some nuts and bolts together. Right, got me got it all set up. I'll try impact gun. If this doesn't work, it's going to be a short video. Alright, try to break a bar. And I can see it's pulling one of those bolts out, so I'm going to have to it's pulling that bolt through. I can see it, so I'll just get a washer on that and we'll carry on. Alright, this time I've secured it better with some washers. We'll just try again. As far as I'll go with impact gun. Just turned really easy. So as it's coming out, or something else is going to go. Getting easier to turn. Oh, I've got the pry bar coming loose. Since it got the drive shaft wedged against the diff. So what I'll do is I'll just try to bring it out with impact. That's not going to do it. Yeah, against the but that's basically out. Well, it's all buttoned up. I've got the bearing on. Quite silent compared to old one. Can you hear all that horrible noise? So just need to button everything up and might as well fit the new brake drums. Well, here's my nice shiny new brake drum, but before I put it on, I'll need to clean it up. Unfortunately, I don't have a brake cleaner, so I'll just use this penetrating fluid. It's better than nothing. Some kitchen towel. Just take off. I should get some brake fluid. I think I run out, but it says this is better than no. We should just offer up the drum. It doesn't seem to want to fit. Probably because shoes are, I might need adjusting. Right, I've managed to adjust the brake, so let's try again with this drum. Still not enough. Right, I've adjusted it basically all the way in, and the drum fits straight on. So get the bolt, drum retaining screw, 5mm Allen key, and just do it up hand tight. You don't need to tighten it mega tight. And then just need to change the drum on the other side. So that's basically it. Right, that's all buttoned up and we're ready for a road test, so get myself cleaned up and then we'll take it for a road test and we'll see what it's like. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. So we'll start her up and we'll turn all these lights, we don't need them on. Let's see if this secured it. Sounding good so far. Sounds a lot better. Big difference, it's night and day. No more horrible noises. So I'll just take it on the road where we can get a bit more speed up. Safely say that's definitely fixed. Spent a fortune on tools, but I think it was worth every penny. It was probably cheaper than paying garage labour to do this job. And I think after last video I'm going to give up. But we're worth spending that bit more on tools from Machine Mart. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. And as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.